The best thing that you can do is look for artists that also embrace the same kind of cultural values that your brand has, or positions themselves as leaders within kind of your target market for your brand. And if you look for artists that are within the same space or speak kind of the same language that you do as a brand, then it's actually really easy. It's literally like any kind of friendship. If you're talking the same language, it's easy to become a partner, and have that partnership elevate both halves of the equation. When you partner with an artist, they have their own brand. So it is beneficial for both parties if because they're going to want to protect their brand as well too, and make sure that their art is being viewed within the light that they wish it to be viewed. How it's represented, where it's displayed, how it's displayed, that come along with it being displayed in a certain context, whatever it is. So having kind of an idea or goal towards what you want a partnership with a local artist to look like, and achieve is super important.